Creating your first TikTok video. In this lesson, we'll be showing you how to create and upload your first TikTok video step by step. You can access the TikTok video creator from anywhere on the app. All you have to do is tap on the create icon in the bottom center of the screen. Creating the video. You can start creating a video right after you open the video creator. It's an easy to use tool that will let you add lots of fun elements that increase awareness and engagement. Let's start from the top to the bottom. The first feature you have to use is sounds. When you tap on sounds, you'll be taken to the sounds gallery screen here. You can choose which sound or music track you will use in your video. On the Discover tab, you will find the most popular sounds. You can tap on the Discover Sound button to try the featured sound. You can then either tap on Use this sound to use that clip in your video, or you can try another. You can discover sounds and clips by categories as well. You can check the most popular sounds on each category by scrolling down. You can listen to the sounds by tapping on the play icon next to the sounds thumbnail. To add a sound to your favourites list, tap on the bookmarks icon next to a sound clip. You can also search for specific sounds by entering a keyword in the search bar as well. To select the clip from the results, simply tap on the clip you want to use and then tap on the confirmation icon to load it into your video. Next, you need to select which camera you want to record your video with. You can do this by tapping on flip, which will switch between the front and rear cameras. You can then select the speed that you want to record your video at. Now when you tap on beauty, you'll activate beauty mode, which is a filter that cleans up faces featured in the video. When you tap on filters, you'll be able to choose from a variety of filters. Tapping on timer means you can select the stopping point for the sound clip that you use in your video using the slider function. Now let's look at the functions on the bottom of the screen. You can select a massive variety of effects for your videos. You can tap the upload icon, and this allows you to upload a video or image from your device's gallery into your TikTok video. Now that you've fully customized the video, it's time to record. Select the length of the video. You can select between 60 seconds or 15 seconds for this. It's recommended that you create 15-second videos to start with. After selecting a preferred length, tap on the record button icon and your video will start recording. Once the video stops recording, you just have to tap on the confirmation icon and you'll be able to make some edits to your video. After it's processed, you can then tap on filters to add or change the filter, and you can also tap on trim to cut the sound clip you selected. The volume of the sound clip can also be changed, and you can tap on sounds if you want to change any of the sounds that you'd already selected. You can also now apply effects such as transitions, and you can tap on character to add on-screen text to your videos. Finally, you can tap on stickers to add any of the things available here. Once you're done editing your new video, all you have to do is to tap on next to go to the posting screen. Enter a description for your video in the description field here, and then we recommend you tap on the hashtag button and use these to expand your reach. Review the permissions and allow users to interact with your video, and then tap on post. Congratulations, you've just put your first video up on TikTok.